All right, good afternoon, everyone. We have a lot of people on the call today. This is Judge Kassan. If I could have everyone remain on mute just for a few minutes, that eliminates the background noise. Thank you, everyone, for joining. As you can see, we have a full docket this afternoon. We'll try to get through it as efficiently as we can, but I ask that you please be patient. We will be calling the docket here in a few minutes, and we will be going in alphabetical order, okay? Once everyone's checked in. All right, so once I call your name, please either please unmute and let me know that you're present, because I might miss you because there's a lot of faces on the screen today. All right, let's get started then. Let me know if you're present. Edward Aguilera. Edward Aguilera. Leonor Barrientos. Leonor Barrientos. Okay. Rebecca Barrientos. I see you there, ma'am.
I'm here.
Thank you. Let's see. Oscar Eugene Carrion. Oscar Eugene Carrion. Austin Daniel Carizales. Austin Daniel Carizales. Cara Cautino. Cara Cautino. Layla Efred.
Here.
Okay, thank you. Sean Farrell. Sean Farrell. Garrett Faulkner.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, thank you, sir. John Daniel Flores.
Here.
John Daniel Flores.
I'm here.
Thank you. Coleman Foster. Coleman Foster. Edgar Garcia.
Here, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, sir. Jaslyn Garcia.
I'm here.
Okay, thank you. Roger Garcia, I see you there, sir. John
Yes,
Paul Garza. John Paul Garza. Lucas Garza. I see you down there, sir. Martha Gomez. Martha Gomez. I see you there, thank you. Matilda Gomez. Matilda Gomez. Patrick Jackson.
Here.
Okay, thank you. Conrad Karcher.
Present.
All right, thank you. Censor Mendoza. Censor Mendoza. Raimundo Mata.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Cole Mitchell.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you, sir. Lugard Oyendi.
Here, Your Honor.
Thank you. Lynette Bettis. Thank you, ma'am. I see you. Israel Rodriguez.
I'm here.
Okay. Brittany Scott. Thank you. Tremaine Short. See you there, thank you. Louis Siriani. I see you there, sir. Thank you. Christine Sorensen. I see you, thank you. Juan Torres. Juan Torres. Miguel Velasco Mijares. I see you there, sir, thank you. Mr. Folks, you hear from Mr. Walker?
Yes, Your Honor.
Thank you. And let's see here.
No, but
Estella White.
Present, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, I think that's everyone. All right. All right. This is a show.
Your Honor, Sincere's here. We're having problems with our internet. We have to switch to a phone. I don't know.
You can call in by phone. That's fine.
No, I don't know if you called him, but he's here. Sincere Mendoza.
Yes, I took a note that he's there. Thank you. All right.
Yep.
All right, very good.
Ma'am,
All right, yes,
George Navarro. I don't know if you called me. I'm supposed to.
George Navarro. Okay, yes, George Navarro. Thank you, sir. Got it.
Thank you.
All right, anybody else that I missed?
This is Aurelia Rocha. I'm was having a little trouble with the ID. I'm not sure if you called me.
All right, let's see here. Okay, I got you down. Ma'am, it looks like you paid your fine off this morning. Is that correct?
Yes, yeah, I paid it this morning, so I just wanted to make sure that everything was in order.
Yeah,
If I needed to do anything else.
that's right. The case is closed out. You did not complete the class. Is that right?
That's correct.
Okay, yes, the case will be closed out. We've noted it that it's been paid off.
Thank you so much. Have a great day.
Good day. Thank you. All right, anybody else that I missed? All right, as you can see, it's a full docket. Mr. Folks,
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes, Mr.
My
Garcia.
phone's gonna die. It's on 1%. My name is Roger Garcia.
Okay, do you want to go charge your phone and then call back in a few minutes?
How do I call back?
You can just dial in through the phone. You don't have to use the app. You can just dial in to the phone number.
Court.
No, there should be a phone number on the paperwork that was sent to you.
Yeah, my phone's literally on 1%. So if it dies, I'm sorry.
Okay, well, if it does, you need to contact the court, okay? All right, just hang on. We'll get through this as quickly as we can.
Judge, I just joined the meeting and my name is Raimundo Mata.
Raimundo Mata. All right, I got it. Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Folks.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
I have a show cause for my client. The reason he doesn't have his license, Your Honor, at this time, after we closed things out temporarily in your court, we attempted to get everything settled. My client had other tickets in other municipalities. Once those were all closed out, the most recent being about 2 weeks ago, my client did make a diligent effort to try to make a driver's license appointment. He wasn't able to renew or apply online. He was directed to an in-person location, or he was directed to make an appointment for an in-person location. At both mega centers, he's gotten appointment dates of October. One was October 23rd and October 26th. So I think he chose the October 23rd.
Okay, so that's when he's scheduled to make an appearance with them for a testing?
I'm sorry, October 22nd. Mm-hmm.
October 22nd, that's when he's scheduled for the test for DPS?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
So I'm wondering if maybe, I assume it might be another 2 weeks, or I don't know how that process is. So maybe if we could maybe do another show cause sometime in November.
Let's see, October 22nd, that's a Friday. I can do a show cause on November 9th. That's a court date in November.
That works, Your Honor.
Okay, so show cause date, November 9th, 3 p.m. Okay.
Sounds good.
All right, if he gets it done, obviously, the sooner we have that, the better. So if he does get it done, you can send that in to us, okay?
Will do, Judge. Thank you so much.
All right, thank you. Have a good one. Good to see you.
You too, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Judge, this is Marta Gomez.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I was having trouble listening. I don't know if you told my name or anything.
All right, let's see here. Yes, I have you down. I'll talk to you in a few minutes.
Okay, thank you.
All right, thank you. All right, everyone. Now we're going to get started in alphabetical order. So I'm going to start with Rebecca Barrientos. Rebecca Barrientos. Yes, ma'am? Okay. All right, ma'am. Let's see here. You were given 50 hours of community service that was due August 12th. Were you able to complete that?
Yes, ma'am. I have. I went ahead and I got it submitted.
Okay. Did you turn that in recently?
Yes, I do apologize. I just got it sent over this morning. I completely.
Okay. All right. Let's Let's see if I have that here. Has that been uploaded, Valerie?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's see. All right. All right, and where did you complete this, ma'am?
At Iron Sharpens Iron. It's a halfway home for like those for like the men, but I was helping the pastor Mike there with computer office work.
And it's called what again?
Iron Sharpens Iron.
Okay. All right, so it looks like you did complete everything. All right. All right, we're going to go ahead and close those out, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're very welcome. Any questions before you go?
So with that being closed, am I able to that hold for my driver's license? I can go ahead and renew, correct?
You'll have to contact DPS to see what requirements they have for you. If there's certain things you have to do to get it reinstated, they'll let you know, and then you'll probably have to make an appointment with them, okay?
Okay, all right, thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day. Good luck getting that driver's license.
All right, bye-bye. Have a good day.
Bye. Thank you, you too.
Hello, excuse me, Your Honor. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm at work right now, but since I'm leaving work, I have to call in real quick because it'll be a no call, no show. But I'm gonna
Okay.
call right back. Okay.
Yes, sir. All right, we'll be
All
here. All right.
All right,
Thank
thank
you. Thank you, Mr. Scott.
Hello?
Sure, sorry. All right, let's go on then to,
Hello?
yes, Mr. Garcia.
My phone is back. All right. I'm sorry.
All right, just hang on. All right, Layla Efred.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm present.
Okay, let's see here. You were on a deferral and you had your driving safety course that was due in July. Did you get that completed?
Yes, and I did complete it. I had mailed a copy out, but I do have with me, I'll show it on the camera that I do have an extra copy. This is the insurance copy, but I completed it May 24th.
Okay.
And I had sent out the court copy, but I had sent it out whenever I had received it. It was about maybe the first week of June or the end of May.
Okay. Valerie, did we ever receive a copy of that?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Ms. Efred, if you could send in a copy of that one, I'll go ahead and accept it. But you'll need to
Okay.
sign that and send that a copy of that in to me, okay?
Okay, I will. Can I just bring it in person?
Yes, you make sure you go within the next week, okay? To do that.
Okay, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Other than that, once we get a copy of that, we'll close it out.
Okay, thank you.
All right, have a good day.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's see. Garrett Faulkner.
Yeah, I'm here.
All right, how are you today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. Let's see here. You were on a deferral. You needed a copy of your insurance and driver's license. Okay. Have you submitted a copy of your driver's license yet?
No, I did get my insurance. I don't, we had a hearing previously and I was doing Instacart as a full-time job and then I was impounded while on the clock and I was able to get my insurance to get my car out and then made an appointment, paid the ticket in full. And then by the time that June 4th came to get my driver's license, I had no longer had a car due to car troubles. So I don't have my Texas driver's license.
Do you have any driver's license?
I have a New Mexico one, which complicated it a little bit more.
Right.
Doing it from out of state. So
Okay.
I made an appointment to get one as soon as I could, but that's like 4 months in advance is the soonest that.
When's your appointment now?
I don't have an appointment now
Oh.
because on May 4th was the last time I went in.
Okay, so you don't have any appointment to get a Texas driver's license anymore.
Not currently, no.
Okay, let's see here. Okay, so the agreement was for you to maintain insurance,
Yes.
to obtain your driver's license, and you did maintain insurance for 5 out of the 6 months. Is that correct?
Yes, and then by the month that my car stopped working, that had seized.
Okay. All right. Is your New Mexico driver's license still current and valid?
It expired September of 2020, which is when right before I got pulled over.
All right. Okay. All right. So the original plea bargain was for you to comply with the insurance violation, and the signal violation would be dismissed. That was the original
Yes.
agreement. If you complied with everything, the prosecutor was going to move forward with a dismissal. That hasn't happened, right? So
correct.
What I'm going to do is I'm going to close out the insurance violation, but enter a conviction on the signal violation. Okay.
Okay.
So the insurance violation will be closed as completed, since you
Okay.
did maintain the proof of the insurance. You did not, however, comply with the terms of the driver's license. So I'm going to enter a conviction on this failure to signal and have you just pay the court costs on that. Okay.
Okay.
So the court costs on that one are $134.
Okay.
Can you pay that within the next 30 days?
Yes, I can.
Okay. So again, the insurance violation, which is the more serious offense as far as driver's license points, that one will be closed out. Okay.
Okay.
The other one, which is a moving violation, will be entered as a conviction with only a minimal fine of the court costs. Okay.
Okay, got it.
All right. But I do, if possible, when you get the opportunity, get that Texas driver's license. That way, if you do eventually get a car, you'll be driving in accordance with the law. Okay.
Yes, thank you.
All right. So $134 due within the next 30 days. Okay.
Okay, I can do that. Thank you.
All right. Any questions, sir?
I don't think so.
All right. Well, good luck to you. Take care now.
All right, thank you. Bye.
All right. Bye-bye. All right. John Daniel Flores. Nope. Okay. Edgar Garcia.
Your Honor.
All right there. Let's see. All right. Operate unregistered motor vehicle. Looks like you owe some.
Excuse me, Honor.
Yes.
This is John.
All right. I'll be back with you in a few minutes, sir.
Okay.
All right. Thank you. All right, Mr. Garcia, you owe some fines. $213 and 50 cents on the unregistered motor vehicle. Okay. Mr. Garcia.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. And then you owe $282.30 on the driving while license suspended.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Are you able to pay those fines today?
You gave me community service hours,
All
which
right.
I'm still doing. I was gonna ask you for an extension, maybe one more week, so I could finish them off.
All right. How many do you have that you still owe?
I still owe, what is it, a total of 25 hours?
And you still have 25 hours left to do?
Yes, but I'm gonna be done with them this week.
Okay.
I found this nonprofit that actually is doing pretty good.
Okay.
I've been to work, and I just needed one more week just to finish those off.
All right. So I'm going to give you until, let's see, today is the 12th. I'm going to give you until the 23rd to complete those and to get those submitted. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So the hours that are left, they'll be due August 23rd. Make sure you drop off a copy.
Yes.
Or email a copy, drop it off, or drop it in the Dropbox, or drop it in person at the court by the
Yes,
23rd. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am. That's it.
All right. Make sure you drop that off. Are you free to go?
Yes, ma'am. I will. Thank you.
All right, Mr. Flores, back to you again. John Daniel Flores.
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. All right, sir. You had to turn in your driving safety course certificate. Did you get that done?
I didn't, no ma'am.
All right. Are you planning to get it done?
I can. I just been real busy with work and it kind of slipped my mind this past month.
All right. So we have two options. You can either, I can give you a 30-day reset and you get it done in the next 30 days. This stays off your record. Or if you don't think you're going to get it done, we'll just close it as a conviction and it'll go on your record today.
I can get it done within the next 30 days.
Okay. You have 30 days to get it done. So get it done sooner rather than later so you can get that certificate turned into the court.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, sir. It's your one-time extension.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Thanks. Bye-bye. All right. Jaslyn Garcia.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right. Let's see here. We were verifying insurance, right? Looks like
Yes,
you're all
ma'am.
paid up. And let's see, Valerie, we were able to verify. Is that correct?
Yes, all 6
All right.
months.
All right, Ms. Garcia, you're good to go. We're going to close it out as completed.
Okay, thank you so much. Have a great day.
Have a good one.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Roger Garcia. All right, Mr. Garcia, were you able to complete your community service hours? Mr. Garcia, I can't hear you.
Hello?
Okay, Mr. Garcia, were you able to complete your community service hours?
No, I did not.
Did you do any of them?
No. I was gonna ask if I can get on a payment plan for that.
Okay, so you owe 235 and 305. When can you make a payment?
Next week.
How much can you pay next week?
I could probably pay all of it.
Okay, by next Friday?
Well, not all of it. I mean, one ticket only.
All right, so 235 due by the 20th, okay?
Yes, ma'am. My phone's about to die too. It's on 1%.
All right, and then the other one will be due in 60 days. Okay? All right, I think we lost him. Valerie, could you mail notice to him, please?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. All right, Lucas Garza. Mr. Garza, you're on mute. Yes, I see you, but you're on mute.
Okay, ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can now. Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay. All right, sir. Let's see. You made a payment in May, but you still
Yes.
owe some money, right?
Yes, I called in July the 30th, and I guess they had sent me that paperwork to get on Zoom, I guess.
Right.
So I didn't get to pay, so they told me to wait until this date.
Okay.
And then unfortunately, I've been, robbed, and my truck and some of my belongings and my money. But I
Uh-oh.
do have the case number just in case if you need it, because right now I'm working with investigators. So all that's tying me up and with work. So I can pay everything on the 20th of this coming week.
Okay, so a week from tomorrow,
Yes,
you can pay everything that's owed?
yes, it's 400.
Well, I'm looking here. You have two that are open, 443 and 247. So you're looking at 690
Yes, I could pay all that.
by next
Yes.
Friday, the 20th.
Yes, on the 20th, that's when I get paid.
Okay.
Because I'm having trouble with my truck because they stole it and it ended up in Edinburgh, Texas.
Oh, well.
Yeah, and really nobody's helping me because, it was stolen. So now I have to pay like 519 to get my truck out. So it's just been like a
One
mess.
thing after another.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's schedule you for the 20th.
The
If you
20th.
don't have the entire amount for some reason, pay as much as you can on the 20th, and
Okay,
they'll
ma'am.
set you up on a payment plan, okay?
Yes.
All right, so make sure you contact the court on the 20th or before, or go in person to make the payment.
And it's in the email, right, ma'am, that y'all sent me on the Zoom website or
What, the address,
the number?
the phone number? It should be on that letter, yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Because I had called just to make a payment, but they told me to wait until I got on the
Okay.
video.
Sure.
Yeah.
So yes, the 690 will be due by the 20th. or whatever amount you can come up with, and then we can put you on a payment plan for the balance.
Yes.
Okay,
All right, ma'am. Thank you so
all right.
much.
Have a good one. Good luck.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
All right, Martha Gomez.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, it looks like you were scheduled to maintain insurance for 6 months. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and it looks like we were able to verify, so we'll close out that case.
Okay.
All right, you're free to go. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You do the same. Thank you again. All right, Patrick Jackson.
Yes.
Hi, Mr. Jackson, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing well. Let's see here. We were waiting on a
I think it's
driving safety course certificate. Did you get that completed?
I did not get it completed. I don't have a good excuse, but I can definitely get it completed very, very quickly moving forward now,
Okay.
if given that
All
opportunity.
right. Let's see. Valerie, has this one been extended before?
No,
All right.
it was due July 12th.
July 12th. Okay. All right, Mr. Jackson, I'm going to give you one 30-day extension to get that completed. So the quicker you get on that, the better, and then you can submit that certificate so we can close it out successfully. Okay.
Yep, that sounds great.
All right, 30 days to complete.
Thank you.
All right, have a good one.
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Conrad Karcher.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
All right, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How about yourself?
Doing well. Let's see. Looking at my notes here.
Yes, so I've paid the ticket, the amount of $227, and I guess I just need the email to send it to for proof that I've paid.
Okay, it says you want to pay the ticket in full. 227 was due by the 9th, right? July 9th.
I believe so. That's what I'm looking at. I've got
And what's the issue? You needed to know you needed
I
to
just need the email to send y'all, and I wasn't sure if I needed to be here or not. Anyways, I just wanted
Okay,
to say.
let me check. Valerie, have we received that payment or?
Was that a recent payment?
Yes, it would have been sometime today.
Oh, today. Okay. I wonder if Mark can
check.
do it.
Let me
Okay.
check. Yeah, it was paid at 318.
Okay. So that's all that was due and owing on that one. Is that correct?
That's
Yes.
correct.
Okay, then we'll close it out, sir. You're free to go.
Thank you very much. Have a good one.
You do the same. Thanks. All right. Sincere Mendoza.
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Okay, how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Doing well. Let's see here. You were on a deferral and you were going to try to get your driver's license. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How'd that go?
I finished all the driving courses, but they didn't let me get it because they said I needed a report card, but I didn't have one. I had a transcript, and they wouldn't take that. So it's because I was withdrawn at the time from my school because I was transferring to another school, and I didn't have a. Yeah.
Yeah, Your Honor, we tried going, we did go, I emailed all the paperwork proof. He does have a permit. He just has to go to the DMV and pick it up. The thing is, we withdrew him, and when we withdrew him, they didn't give me a finalized report card. And that's what the DMV is requiring. And they gave us a transcript instead, and they didn't accept that. So now pretty much he doesn't start school until the 23rd. So until we get a actual report card, we can go pick up the permit. But I emailed all the paperwork that he has a permit. He just has to pick it up. But that's the only.
You submitted something to the court already? Showing all that?
Yes, I submitted the actual appointment. I submitted the permit. And I'm not sure if I submitted some other stuff on there too.
Okay. Valerie, do we have that somewhere? Or?
I just emailed it before we got on the.
Before we got started here.
Sure.
Okay.
Yes, I'm not sure if you got it right now or.
I don't have it yet, but we'll once we can put a copy in the file. All right. So what grade are you in, sir?
I'm going to be a senior this year.
You're going to be a senior, and you're enrolled in school?
Yeah.
What school are you enrolled in?
Positive Solutions Charter School.
Okay. Okay. So you have a permit. You do have a driving permit?
We have to go pick it up at the DMV. I have paperwork right here, Your Honor.
All right. Are they holding it until you give them a report card or?
Yeah, they need an actual report card. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this is the actual permit.
Okay. Okay. All right.
So we just have to go pick it up from the DMV, and that's the only
Once
thing.
you can present a report card. How soon after the school year starts will he get a report card from this school?
How long do they take? 4 weeks?
Is it 6
Is
weeks?
it four, 6?
I mean, some schools do 6, some do 9, so I don't.
9
With, is it
Probably 9 weeks.
With this new school, I'm not, Your Honor, I'm not sure.
All right. I'm looking at the calendar. Give me a second here.
It was every 9 weeks. First 9 weeks, second 9 weeks, third 9 weeks.
You sure? That was like
Yeah, Edison. It was Edison.
All right. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to reset it till November 9th. Hopefully you'll have a report card and a permit by then. Okay.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. So we just want to make sure you get that driver's license. All right. So I'm going to give you until November 9th. Get all your paperwork together. As soon as you get that report card, try to go in and see them. I don't know if you need another appointment, so you might want to try to get that scheduled.
That's why I haven't an appointment, due to the fact that that's the only thing holding us back is that report card.
All right. Well, if
So-
you can figure out the timing from the school, try to get an appointment right after you get that the report card. That way it kind of all lines up together. Okay. Because they're still taking appointments and they're kind of doing them in October now. So I think you probably need to try to get one sooner rather than later. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So I'm going to reset you. And then we'll see you back on November 9th. Okay. Hopefully with everything in order. All right.
Is there a certain time that
Well,
you want?
It would probably be at 3 p.m. again.
Okay, November 9th, 3 p.m. Okay.
Okay. Censor, any questions?
No, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. So good luck with school. Good luck with getting that driver's license, and we'll see you back in a couple months. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. You're free
You
to go.
too.
Thank you. All right, Raimundo Mata. Raimundo Mata.
Yes, ma'am. Can you
How
hear
are
me?
you? How are you doing?
Good.
Good. All right. So you had some community service hours to do, right?
Yes, I faxed them. I faxed those in a couple of days ago, I believe.
Okay. Were you able
Maybe
to
on Monday.
complete all of them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Do we have those somewhere, Valerie?
I have my receipts from the fax,
Okay.
but I don't have them on me if you don't find it.
No, I don't see them here. Can you email it to us?
Yeah, I'd have to get a scanner somehow. Can I?
Can you take a photo of it?
Yeah,
and
I'll take
send it?
I'll take a photo of because I'm not sure if I kept the actual schedule. Can I if not, can I email you the receipt from the fax machine?
No, I need the hours that you did. I need a copy of that.
Okay. Yeah, I need to go look.
All right. So did you do it? Did you do them or did you not do them?
Oh yeah. I was done in July.
All right. So that's what I need. I need a letter from the place you did it or some sort of documentation from the place indicating the hours that you worked. Okay.
Okay, so you want them emailed and no longer faxed?
Yeah. If you could email it, that would be great. That way we can make
Okay.
sure we get it because obviously the fax did not come through.
Yeah. All right. Thank you,
All
Your
right.
Honor. I'll probably have it done tomorrow.
All right. I'm going to have you, if you don't have them turned in within 30 days, we're going to see you back here. Okay.
Okay.
All right. The
Thank you.
sooner you get them turned in, the better, though.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you.
All
Bye-bye.
right. Bye-bye. You're welcome. Okay. Next up, Cole Mitchell.
Hi, Aaron. I'm here.
How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Let's see here. All right, you were going to complete 12 hours of community service and your driving safety course. Is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you able to do those two things?
Yes, ma'am. For the course, actually, the deferment that we looked at on the course, we still have the same class. I wasn't able to register for a new class because I had questions pertaining to the original course that I had taken.
Okay.
The Alive at 25 class, we had talked to an officer there, and they said that they would get in contact with you guys and kind of just go over how the course works, because understanding the deferment, it just talked about how
Hi, Your Honor.
Hi.
I'm his mother. This is the first time I've been present, but I've tried to help him. When he got the paperwork, the original paperwork stated to find a class for people under 25. So we found Alive at 25 together. It didn't specify whether it was going to be 4 hours or 6 hours. So the Alive at 25 course is taught directly by officers. So those officers, we called Alive at 25 today, and the officer is going to call the court directly and call your number personally to explain and give you a summary of the course and how it works and the reason.
Okay, I guess there was a misunderstanding as to the
Yes.
course that was required. It's just simply the driving safety course that's available to any driver. Okay, it's not a course specific to individuals under 25. Because he's under 25 years of age, there is a state law requirement that he take the driving safety course, not this other course that you're talking about. So
Okay.
there is a specific driving safety course for all drivers. That's the course we were, should have been taken.
Okay, if you look at his paperwork, and I'm the one that misled him, and I misled him into believing, and then when I found that there were actual classes for under 25, because I know of the one that anybody can take, it's 6 hours.
Right.
And it costs $25, but he specifically signed up, my understanding of what the paperwork, when we looked at it, for a class that cost $50 for people under the age of 25. So he did above and beyond what
Do
was
you
asked.
have a copy of that course completion?
We've sent it already, or he sent it to the court months ago.
All right, do we have that, Valerie?
I can look it up because I think it was a couple of months ago. Let's see.
And the 12 hours of community service, was that completed as well, Mr. Mitchell?
Yes, ma'am.
Do we have that as well, Valerie?
No, he sent me an email to contact the person, and I emailed them requiring for them to fill out or just verify, and I never got a response.
We had gotten contact with
Do you have two different, he volunteered at the San Antonio Animal Service Center, and that's 10 hours. And then also he volunteered at Northwest Church of Christ. And Derek Long is the person in charge that works part-time. So we need to get a hold of him. I understand, Valerie, that you needed somebody to sign off on the 3 hours.
Right.
Again. Okay. So Derek Long, I'm in communication with him via email because I helped him set that up as well. I was familiar with the church. He's down in San Antonio as a student. So, but he did find the animal shelter place himself. So do you have the 10 hours from the animal shelter?
Let's see what he turned in. I don't think we had verification of where he did it. He just had the hours.
Okay. Well, the way that works is they were able to, because he had to check the dog out, return the dog, and it's all by mobile app. So he has an app where he checked out the dog, and then he has an app where he returned the dog for each time that he volunteered. Like how many dogs? 3, 4?
3.
3.
Okay, well, if we need proof of that then.
Okay.
All right. Here's what we'll do. I need proof of all those hours worked. Whatever proof you can piece together, get that sent in, okay? Screenshots of the app, a timesheet from them, something, okay? And something as well from Mr. Long for Northwest Church of Christ, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then send us the certificate of completion for that other course that you took, even though it was the incorrect course, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Send that to me, I will review it, and if it's looks to be in good order, we'll accept that as proper proof. If there's a problem with it, we will schedule you for another hearing, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, any questions?
None.
Is there any fee associated with his? Because his understanding was if he took the 12 hours community service and took the class, then there would be no fee.
That's correct, but I still haven't seen proper proof of any of this, so I need that documentation. However, you can piece it together. I do need that so we can close out the case.
Okay, and also
if I don't get that within the next 30 days, there will be a fine owing, okay?
Okay, great.
All right. Get all that documentation submitted by email to the court, and then they'll forward that to me for review.
Will do.
All right, Mr. Mitchell. Good
Enjoy
luck.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay. George Navarro.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, Mr. Navarro, I'm noted here that you had a balance of 80 that was paid, and you still have a balance owing of 225.
Yes, ma'am. That's just like within 2 weeks, I could give a payment on that, and then within the next 30 days, pay all of it.
Okay, so half in 2 weeks.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and the remaining balance in 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sounds good. We'll make a note of that, and you'll make sure you make that payment in the next 2 weeks then.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Have a
All
good
right,
day.
you do the same. Good luck to you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, next up, Lugard on Yendi.
Hi, Your Honor.
Hi there, how are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Doing well, thank you. Let's see here. You were on a deferral and you did provide us some proof of insurance. However, it appears that the vehicle was insured, but you personally were not insured.
Yes, Your Honor. I had a misunderstanding of the terms of the deferral. I've been insured and on the insurance while I was in high school. But when I went to college, my mom took me off of the insurance, unbeknownst to my knowledge, which is how I got the ticket.
Okay.
And when we got the terms of the deferral, we added the car to the insurance because that's what we thought was necessary since I wouldn't be driving the car. So that's a deep misunderstanding on our part. I could definitely be added to the insurance and do the next 6 months and I'd pay for it myself. Yeah, just so sorry about that.
Okay, so let me ask you this. Are you able to get added to the policy and prepay 6 months?
Yep. Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you could do that, then I'll go ahead and accept that and we can close it out successfully.
Okay. Would
All right,
prepaying
so-
6 months be to the insurance company or to the court?
No. You contact your insurance company, get yourself personally added to the policy, prepay 6 months to be added to, pay the insurance premium to the insurance company, and then provide us with a receipt showing that you did that.
Okay, that sounds great. Thank you so
All
much.
right,
Your
so
Honor.
if you're able to present that to indicate that you will be insured for the next 6 months, that you're a named driver on the policy, I'll go ahead and accept that as proof, okay?
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, you're welcome. I'll have you, if you could get that done within the next 30 days. If not, we'll see you back to pay a fine on that case, okay?
All righty, thank you.
All right, good luck to you, sir.
You too, thanks.
Have a good day. Thank you.
You too, bye.
Bye-bye. Okay, Lynette Perez.
Okay, yes, I wanted to go ahead and pay the remainder.
Okay, you did not complete the driving safety course, ma'am?
No, I got sick for about a week. I had cellulitis and ended up in the ER and I couldn't even sit up. And the thing is, I had 2 tickets. So since I had missed this one, I did the driver safety for another ticket and I just want to pay the rest of it.
Okay, all right. Let's see, this was all right, there's a balance due of $78, okay?
Okay.
$78, and then if you don't get any other tickets for the next 30 days, we'll close it out, okay?
Okay, so I just can pay that online through the. to the link, or do I need to send that in?
No, I believe she needs to send that in, right, Valerie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you'll need to mail that in.
Okay.
And
All right, thank
so
you.
$78 and then 30 days, no additional tickets, and we'll close it out.
All right.
All right, ma'am. Good luck to you.
Thanks. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, let's see here. Next up, Israel Rodriguez. No. Brittany Scott.
Yes.
Hi, Miss Scott. How are you?
I'm okay.
Got your hands full.
Yes, I just had a baby.
Okay, well, congratulations.
Thank you.
Let's see. So you're looking at 220 that you owe. You missed July and August, right?
Yeah, I just started working again at my old job.
Okay.
I'm pretty, I'm not sure if I get paid next week or not. But I wanted to, when I
You
got
want to
paid.
skip back on that payment plan?
Yeah, because I was getting child support, but I guess my oldest daughter's dad stopped working. So that was basically what I was using to pay off.
Okay.
So yeah.
All right, we'll restart the payment plan, okay?
Okay.
So another payment will be due in the next, can you make a $50 payment in the next 30 days?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
I might be able to make more than that.
All right, well, let's just start there, and then if you get it more done sooner, that's fine too, okay?
And with the, I do have one, I mean, when I'm done paying it, will I be able to go get my license?
That's up to DPS. They're the ones that issue the driver's licenses, so you'll have to contact them and see what you need to do to get that taken care of.
Okay.
Okay. They may require a fee or a test or something to get that done.
Okay.
All right. Well, good luck to you. She's beautiful.
Yes, hello, Your Honor. Did you call my name yet?
Who is that speaking?
Israel Rodriguez?
Yes, I did.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm over here working. I didn't get to hear.
All right. So it looks like you're missing a driving safety course certificate. Did you get that done?
Yes, ma'am. I had recently finished it like 2 days ago. I'm just waiting on the paper to come in through mail.
Okay.
And yeah, it's already complete.
All right. So you're just waiting on the certificate?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'm going to give you 30 days to send that in, okay?
Okay. And that's going to the court, right? The
Go
Olmos
to-
court?
Yes, directly to the Olmos court. You can mail in a copy, drop off a copy, or email a copy, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
All right. You're good to go. Good luck.
Okay. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.
Thanks, you too.
Hello, Judge.
Yes.
Did you call John Paul Garza?
I did at some point, sir. I'll get back to you in a few minutes, okay?
Okay.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. So we have Tremaine Short. Are you back on the line, sir?
Yes, ma'am, I'm here.
Okay. All right. Let's see here.
So I think I still, well, she just gave me something new just yesterday. So she said I owed it like 261 plus the 155 because I didn't send it in time. Now I know I did make $100 payment on the 18th. I think I was a day late. But I have the 155 today, and I sent the insurance like twice. I don't know why y'all ain't receiving the insurance.
All right. So 155 is what you owe on the insurance, and you have that today?
Yes, ma'am, I can pay that right now.
All right. Let's see. All right. We did need insurance coverage from March to September. Let's see.
Yes, ma'am. And I sent that to you. I sent it today again as well, just to be for sure. Also.
Well, we do need
It's not a letter of experience.
What's that?
The letter of experience, he sent in his insurance card.
Okay. Do you have a letter of experience from your insurance agent?
When you say letter of experience,
it's a letter that, sure, it's a letter the insurance company or insurance agent provides that indicates the dates of coverage. It basically says Mr. Tremaine Short was insured with our company from this such and such date until the present or until such and such date of termination.
Okay, so yeah, I do have to get that from them then.
Okay, all right. Well, if you could get that from them and then just pay the 155. I think that's all that's owed on the financial responsibility violation.
Okay.
Valerie, is
Now
there
I'm
any-
at work. I'm at work right now. My off days are Sundays and Mondays, but I can definitely try to contact them early in the morning and try to get that information. Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to give you 30 days to submit that, okay?
Oh, that's fine. Okay. Yes, ma'am. That's perfect. Okay.
All right, so get that turned in. Valerie, does he owe anything on the other one, or is that a plea bargain case?
It's a plea bargain case.
Okay. All right, so Mr. Short, the issue is you have to turn in that paperwork, all right?
Mm-hmm.
And
ma'am.
pay that balance so that the other one gets closed out and dismissed. Okay?
All right. So I'm finna pay that right now as we speak.
Okay, all right. You have the link to do that or what? There is a link that the court provides.
Is it on the email? Is it on the little email that you sent yesterday? If it's on that, then yes, ma'am, I got it.
We can send it by tomorrow to your email since you sent something recently to our court.
Okay.
They're gonna email you the link, sir.
Sounds like a plan. Awesome.
All right, they're gonna email you the link. You're gonna make the payment, and you're also gonna get that letter from your insurance company, right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sounds good to me.
All right. Y'all have a great rest of your day.
You do the same. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Siriani.
Yes, I'm here.
Hi there. How are you?
Very good.
Patiently waiting. I know it's been a long docket.
It's okay.
All right, so we were pending the affidavit, the driving record, and a driving safety course certificate. Were you able to get all those items?
I did get them. I sent them via email, but it was like right before the court started,
Right.
so I don't know if y'all received.
Okay. Let me see. Valerie, did we receive that?
Yeah, I put two of them. I couldn't download the
Oh.
driving record but I mean, I verified everything's there.
Okay, let's
The
see.
affidavit.
here.
We have two of the three.
Affidavit and the driving safety course.
Did they send in like Google Docs or something? I tried to attach them, but was it a
Attachment. Mhm.
okay?
We could only print the driving record because we had to put your deal in, but we do have that.
Okay, then we'll go ahead and accept that and we can close it out.
Okay. Do I have any more to pay?
Let me see here. I believe you're all paid up, sir.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
All right, Valerie, can we confirm
All paid
that?
up, yeah. Mhm.
All paid up. All right,
All paid up.
you're free to go, sir. We're gonna close it out.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Thank you. All right, let's see here. Christine Sorensen. Let's see, Ms. Sorensen?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can now. It looks like you were also pinning some documents, but it looks like we received everything. Is that correct?
I believe so.
All right, so you're gonna get your case closed out today.
Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
All right, you have a good one.
You too.
All
Take
right,
care.
thanks. Bye-bye, you too. All right, Miguel Velasco Mijares.
I'm here, Your Honor.
All right, how are you doing?
Doing well. How about yourself?
Doing well, thanks. Let's see here. You are on a deferral for the insurance, but we have not been able to verify insurance coverage.
That is correct. I'm having issues with my insurance provider because I've been waiting for them since Monday to send me the letter of experience through email.
Okay.
The only thing that I could get was the letter of coverage, but y'all, I'm hearing that y'all just need a letter of experience. I mean, I do have my insurance since January.
Okay.
But I'm just waiting for them to send the letter of experience. I've already contacted them twice, and they still haven't received anything since Monday.
All right, so you have an insurance card and a letter of coverage.
That is correct, yes, Your Honor.
Have you submitted those to the court yet?
I did send the letter of coverage, but I got an email saying that you only accept the letter of experience. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
All right, so I'm going to give you 30 days to turn in that letter of experience, okay?
Okay, that sounds good.
All right, so try to get a hold of them. I know you got to stay on them sometimes, but
yeah, no, it's I've been dealing with them since the 5th.
Oh, wow. Okay. Yeah, I'm sure it's
Yeah.
very frustrating, but the sooner
Yeah,
you get that
I'm-
turned in, the sooner we can close this one out for you, okay?
Okay, that sounds perfect.
All right, very good. We'll give you some time to get that turned in, then we can close it out.
Okay, sounds good, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye. All right, Estella White. Stella White, Miss White, are you there? No. Okay, so John Paul Garza. Mr. Garza,
Hello.
you're on.
Can you hear us?
Yes.
Yes, Judge.
All right, let's see here. You were owing 8 hours of community service to the court. Did you get that done?
No, that was my son, John Paul.
Okay.
No, ma'am. Unfortunately, no, we didn't get it done. We had a real hard time finding anybody that would take them. The ones that would take them, he had to be over 18, and the ones that would take them at 16, they weren't taking anybody due to the COVID.
Okay.
So we haven't found anybody. I'm at a loss right now. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do, and he doesn't either. So we're kind of like just going back and forth, me and him.
All right, give me 1 second here. Valerie, what were the terms of the deferral on this one?
Just the 8 hours that was due, he paid it already. And then, let's see.
So he paid a fee?
He paid the $234.
Okay.
And just 8 hours of community service was added.
Was added, okay. All right.
And unfortunately, we're sick with the COVID right now. My whole family here at the house is sick with it.
Okay, I'm sorry to hear that. I wish you a speedy recovery, sir.
Thank you, man. It's horrible, believe me.
All right, I'm very sorry to hear that.
sorry.
Here's what?
It was part of a plea bargain. I'm sorry. The theft under 100.
Okay, the 8 hours was?
I think just the payment.
Did he have anything else that was required?
No, that was it. That was just.
It was the fee and the 8 hours, and that's it?
Yes, and then plea bargain on the theft under 50.
Okay. So, Mr. Garza, is your son enrolled in school right now?
Yes, man.
And what grade is he going to be in?
He's a freshman.
Okay.
But they just can't take him until we all get a free and clear letter from the doctor. Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right. Here's what I'm going to have him do instead of the 8 hours. Okay.
Okay.
All right. I'm going to have him do 1,000-word essay on the consequences of driving without a valid driver's license.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
You understand that, John Paul?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So that's going to be instead of doing your 8 hours. Okay. I'm understanding you're having some difficulty with finding a place to do that, and I'm taking that into consideration. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So you got that 1,000-word essay on the consequences of driving without a valid license. And if you want to add something about consequences of theft, you can do that too if you want. Okay. As long as it's 1,000 words. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
All right. We're going to have that due in, can you do that in the next, can you do it in the next 30 days?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. School's starting. Can you get it knocked out?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. All right.
Do we turn that into the court?
You can email it to the court.
Okay.
That way you don't have to get out and do that. You can email it or mail it. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. You got that, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am.
All right. We'll take that instead of the community service hours. All right.
Okay. Thank you very much, Judge.
All right. Good luck to you, and I hope everyone feels better soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
All right. Good luck to you. Take care now.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. All right, Ms. White, is that you? Okay, you're on mute though. If you could unmute the phone. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right, how are you?
Okay, how are you?
I'm doing well, thanks. Let's see here. You have a balance of $24. And are you able to pay that?
Not today, ma'am. I've been struggling. My car has been broke and I'm getting right now my mechanic is doing my alternator and my battery right now as we speak.
Okay.
So that's been the thing because I've been doing the DoorDash. That's how I've been making my money basically since COVID.
Okay.
So, and since my car broke down, that put a monkey wrench in everything. So
right, you need the car to make those deliveries.
Yes, ma'am. But I
Okay.
will be able to pay it by Friday of next week.
Okay. All right. So by Friday, the 20th, is that right?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So by the 20th, you have the $24 that's owed. And then if you do that, we can close out the other ones too. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
All right. Well, good luck to you. And make sure you make that payment by next Friday.
I will. Thank you much.
All right. Take care now.
You too. Have a good day.
Thank you. You too, the same. All right. So we have the phone number ending in 899. What is your name?
Erica, last name is Ross. My phone was disconnected previously at the previous docket.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's see here. All right, so you have two cases from 2018. You have a failure to maintain insurance. How do you plead on that case?
No contest because I didn't have insurance at that time. Shortly after I came to see you, it wasn't even 2 weeks and I was terminated from my job. So I didn't have a job for 11 months. And then when I finally did get a job, then just a few weeks later, then COVID hit. So everything has just been up and down. It's been like a roller coaster ride for me. So.
Okay. All right. That's, yeah. A lot's happened in the last 18 months, right?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Definitely.
Okay. So then you have the second violation here, driving while license suspended. How do you plead on that case?
No contest. And I haven't been able to do anything because not only was it suspended, now it's expired. So I can't even get another driver's license and I can't drive my car, so I can't drive my car. So I haven't been able to do anything. Luckily, I only, live a walking distance of maybe 8-9 minutes from my house. So thank God for that. So.
Okay. Well, so how did you want to take care of these? Did you just want to make payment arrangements, payment plan, or?
I can make a payment plan, but I cannot do it like starting immediately because I had to move out of my apartment because of the slowdown with COVID. I had to move out of my apartment. I moved into a new apartment in May, and so I'm like way behind. Whenever I made the I guess got on the list to have like court with you. I thought it would take like 60 days and it's taken longer. So I'm just trying to get caught up with everything. It's been a mess, but it probably won't be until maybe 3 weeks before I can even start making a payment on anything at all.
Okay. All right. So let's say within the next month you could make a payment.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Your balance is $921.70. So
with both of them combined?
Correct.
Okay, $921.70.
170.
Okay.
All right. And you can make a payment within the next 30 days. Is that what you said?
Yes, I can do it within the next 30 days.
All right. All right, let's see here. And how much can you pay? Well, you're $470, $450 on one. I'm going to reduce that a little bit. $424.50. How much of a payment can you make in 30 days towards that one?
I can do at least, oh my gosh, in 30 days. Is there a minimum or of what I need to pay?
If you could pay 50, that would work.
Okay, let's do 50, and if I can make some more, we'll do more. But let's do 50 at first.
Okay, so $50 payment. We'll place you on a payment plan. Okay, $50 initial payment, 30 days. And the balance on the insurance has been reduced to $424.50. I'll reduce the driving while license suspended to $397.20. But be aware that your last payment for each of those will be $15. That's a time payment fee because we're placing you on that extended payment plan. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. So $424.50, $397.20.
Judge. I'm
Yes.
sorry. It's gonna be 50 on that because they're old.
Oh, these are older cases. Oh, right. They're from 2018. It's not $15, ma'am, on each case. It's 25 on each case. So the last payment will be 50. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right. So $424.50 and $397.20, and then the last payment of $50, that puts you at $871.70. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Any questions?
No, ma'am. I'll get it paid as soon as I can because I need to get my license done. I need it's expired. Everything is just on hold because of this, so I'll get it done as quickly as I can.
Right. The sooner you get it paid off, the sooner we can lift the hold with DPS so that you can get that reinstated. Okay.
Beautiful. Thank you so much.
Right. Good luck to you, ma'am. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you. You too. Be safe.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Phone number ending in 427. Please press *6. Phone number ending in 427. Phone number ending in 427. If you could please press *6. What's your name?
Oscar Carrion.
Oscar Carrion. Okay. All right, sir. Let's see. You have a balance of $150. Can you pay that?
I paid $75 Monday.
Okay. Do we have a record of that?
Yes.
Okay. That was paid on the 9th. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
And when can you pay the other 75 balance?
Well, the last time I was on the phone, Your Honor, they told me to pay on August the 9th and then September the 12th. I got it written down.
Okay. All right. That'll work for me. September 12th, $75 due. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. You're good to go.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good day, sir. Take care.
You too. Bye. Bye.
Bye-bye. Call the docket again. Edward Aguilera. Edward Aguilera. Leonor Barrientos. Leonor Barrientos. Austin Daniel Carizales. Austin Daniel Carizales. Cara Cotino. Cara Cotino. Sean Farrell. Sean Farrell. Coleman Foster. Coleman Foster. Matilda Gomez. Matilda Gomez. Juan Torres. Juan Torres. And that concludes the 3